Your 2022-2024 Jeep Grand Cherokee key fob uses a CR2450 3-volt lithium battery. When it stops working, replacement is a simple DIY task. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a key fob opener tool. First, locate the seam on the fob. Gently pry it open, being careful not to damage the plastic. Note the battery's orientation, positive side up. Remove the old battery and insert the new CR2450, ensuring correct polarity. Snap the fob back together firmly and test. The whole process should only take a few minutes. Avoid using rechargeable batteries. If your key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, ensure the battery contacts are clean. If corroded, wipe them gently with a soft cloth. In rare cases, especially after Uconnect software updates, the fob might need to be repaired to your vehicle. This usually involves cycling the ignition and pressing the lock-unlock buttons simultaneously, but check your owner's manual for the specific sequence. Dealerships charge $50 to $100 for this service, so DIY saves money. If issues persist, a dealership visit might be necessary. Properly dispose of the old battery at a recycling center. Remember, improper battery installation, reverse polarity can void warranties.